In my previous build video, I attempted building my first fiberglass FPV airplane, which proved to be a good success. However, it also introduced greater construction complexity and increased overall costs. While I'm still considering building more fiberglass airplanes in the future, I decided to go for a cost-effective design from the early days again and decided to revive the V-tail tractor airframe. It is a 1.7 meter wingspan combined with a 14x12 high-pitch propeller and a big motor I used for a high-speed build from last year. Unlike its solid weight of 2.2 kilograms, it achieves a flight efficiency of 103 mAh per kilometer, which allows for a trip distance of 75 kilometers and over 90 minutes of total flight time if I were to use 80% of my battery. This aircraft is used to mainly demonstrate the cost-effective solution to building your own capable FPV airframe. With this goal already achieved in this video, it'll be another addition to my long-range FPV capable fleet and could potentially be used for experiments and new ideas in the future. From now on, I'll leave you guys with the text narration of the building process and eventually meet you later in the video when I'll be testing and flying the airplane, and eventually end the video with more drone footage. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the build process, and thank you for watching. Setting up the main wing is very easy by just inserting the outer wing halves in unison and then connecting the cable and taping it together tightly. So I've already inserted the battery to keep the fuselage steady on the ground. Now it's just a matter of plugging in the round cables. Of course, red with red, and black with black. That's final piece of tape here. Left, right, works. All works. Check the reflexes. Up, down. Left, right as well. Now it's ready. Horizon mode. Just look at that. That fly is excellent. I really hope I do not damage the prop, so I'm gonna land in the grass. Yeah, 105. 145 milliamp hours per kilometers. Arm my plane, raise up my throttle, and set my mode switch. There he goes. So the way I land my plane is drop my throttle, take a little dive, and then eventually flare it out. So right in the turn, I cut my throttle, take a small dive, that's about how I do it. This time I'm just gonna throw it. It went well, but a bit risky because the plane already pitched up before throttle was at its set value, which almost made it tip stall.